Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to animate a Roblox character in Blender. First, we need to get the character from Roblox Studio. Open Roblox Studio and add a new avatar. Now open the Explorer panel. Find the character model, right-click and choose Export Selection. Save the file in a location you remember. Next, open Blender and start with a new project. Go to File, Import and choose Wavefront OBJ. Find the exported Roblox file. Before importing, make sure the option to keep objects separated is enabled. This allows every body part to move correctly after import. After importing, zoom out if needed. Select all objects, right-click, and set origin to geometry. Move the model to the center of the scene. Group parts that should move together, such as hair and head, by selecting them and pressing Ctrl-J. To make the character poseable, we need to add a rig. Press Shift-A, add an armature, and place it inside the character. Enable the option to show bones in front so they stay visible. Scale the armature to match the character's size and switch to Edit mode. Enable X-axis mirror so both sides update at the same time. Now position the bones for each major body part. Remove any bones you do not need and adjust the rest so they fit correctly inside of the model. To attach the rig, select the armature and switch to pose mode. Select the body part, then shift-select the matching bone. Press Ctrl-P and choose bone. Repeat this step until every body part is connected. Once finished, you can move the bones and the Roblox character will follow. The model is now ready for posing, animations, or rendering in Blender. Thanks for watching.